is the $100,000 plane.
This thing's huge!
At this price point, you get the entire plane.
Oh, this is like a yacht.
This is wild.
This is unbelievable.
You wanna know the craziest part? This is just one of 4 rooms.
There's more to the plane? I thought this was it.
Guys, come over here.
What room is this?
This is literally another lounge area with a bunch of snacks and a huge TV. And if you're feeling tired, you get your own private bedroom.
Dude, what?
This is like a hotel.
And last but not least, the bathroom.
Tariq, shut your mouth right now. Shut it. This is insane. There's a seat in the bathroom, Dib.
Have you ever even seen a jet half this size?
No. Never.
What do we talk about while on our private jet? Well, I'll tell you.